Figured it out. My MSD box was bad. So all I did was unplugged it from the ignition coil. I bypassed it, and we are up and running. Well, it's time to go break some speed limits. Now that we're running, I gotta take it to the car wash and get all that crap out from the windshield wipers. Burn out all this old gas that's been in there for almost a year. And people think you gotta throw your gas away after 3 months. As you can hear, my gas is still okay. Now that I got the Trans Am running, I'm just out playing on a back street. Just to see how it's running with this year-old gas. I'm trying to burn it out. And even with a year-old gas, with my mixture I create, it's still got some giddy up. Can't hear it, but it's there. You'll see it now that I'm on the frontage road getting on the freeway. Old gas is still working. New gas will be even better. I'm gonna go back to playing.